All right, let's talk about the yearly section in the BUJO. It's the first section in the index, and I marked mine with some washi tape, and then I marked the edge with washi tape, even though it's super easy to find because it's right at the front of the bullet journal. So my first spread, I did events and birthdays. And again, these are all optional. They don't have to be done the way that I'm doing them. And in fact, I would recommend doing some other things after I've already gotten mine set up, but that's just a part of learning how to bullet journal. My next one is my roadmap, and this is new this year. I used to draw it out, but this year I'm going to journal each month and maybe just sketch a few different things or use some stickers to decorate each month and how I felt and kind of like an overview and statement when it's all done. Then I have my next page, which is kind of like a fitness weight tracker. And then at the bottom, I'm going to do my measurements and check off that I've completed each week with working out and just kind of keep all my fitness on one page for the year. And then my next one is my yearly goals, my 6x5, 3x2, 6x5. And then I just made this little sidebar, which is all the places I'd like to travel in state, in country, and out of country. And then my 6x5, which includes different things like losing weight, keeping my house clean, all those fun things, just for the first 5 months of the year. Then the next page are these bad boys, which a lot of you guys have been wondering what to do. I knew that I wanted to continue doing my period tracker. I do this every single year, and I kind of drew dots where I should expect my period to go in according to my last 2 years of tracking, and just kind of that way I could see forward to see like when things are going to happen. And then on the right side, I did a vacation, events, birthdays, milestone, trip, things, exciting things to look forward to so that I can kind of count down how many more days I have left. So I will highlight in these days as they pass so I can kind of track where I'm at in the year and then look forward to something so I can reward myself with after I've done something for a long time. All right, the next one, I kind of got a little carried away, and so I covered it up with a sticker. And I'm trying to do like a monthly tracker of different things. And so things that I need to do more than once a month, I will put a dashed line at the end of that. So I'm trying micro needling this year on my skin, and I have to do it 4 times a month. So I've got that. And then I'm also doing a bunch of other things at home for self-care, like waxing and all these fun things. So I decided I would track when I did them last so I can just kind of keep track of, making sure that I put myself first this year. My next one is my routine. I'm not sure if I like this, but I figured I'd go in each morning or night and just check off that I did my morning and my nighttime routine. The next one is something that I've used in all of my bullet journals, which I absolutely love, and that's my trip tracker. And I just used some stickers that I got at Michael's. I absolutely love them. And then you'll go right into your quarterlies, and we will have another video on that.